In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually recreate your website using Wix, as well as explain how to efficiently use Wix's import tools if they're available. This guide will help you smoothly transition your existing website content onto Wix, ensuring that your online presence is both attractive and functional, all while taking control of your design and layout. First, let's begin by gathering all relevant content from your existing website. This includes text, images, and any other media that you wish to transfer. To do this, you can simply copy and paste text into a document for easy access. For images and media, download them onto your computer if they're not already saved. Having all your content in one organized location will save you a lot of time and hassle later on. Once you've gathered your content, it's time to head over to Wix and create a new account if you haven't already. After signing up, you'll want to choose a template for your website. Wix offers a variety of templates, so take some time to browse through and select one that resonates with the style and functionality you envision for your new site. Remember, the template serves as a starting point. You can customize it extensively to meet your needs. Now, with your template picked, familiarizing yourself with the Wix editor is crucial. It's quite user-friendly with a simple drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to customize your site. Whether it's rearranging elements, changing colors, or tweaking fonts, Wix gives you a lot of creative flexibility. Incorporate your gathered text and images by simply dragging them into place from your saved files. As a tip, take advantage of Wix's built-in tools such as the toolbar and the grid lines, which help align your content neatly, ensuring a professional look. Don't be afraid to experiment with different layout options until you find the one that best showcases your content. Equally, if Wix offers an import tool option, do explore it. These tools can significantly streamline the process by importing much of your existing content directly onto the platform. While the availability and function of these tools can vary, they often involve simply entering your original site's URL and letting Wix do the heavy lifting. It's worth giving it a try to see if it suits your needs, or at least jumpstarts the process. Once your content is in place, thoroughly review your website on both desktop and mobile views. Wix enables you to easily switch between these views to ensure that your site is responsive and appealing on all devices. Don't forget to test all links and functionality as part of your final checks. By following these steps, you're well on your way to building a beautiful, functional site on Wix.